Rumbleroller 31x6 Blue is a versatile tool designed for rehab, active care, and general fitness. Its compact size makes it easy to transport and store, while its durable construction ensures long-lasting use. The textured surface of the roller provides targeted muscle relief, helping to alleviate tension and improve flexibility. Whether you're recovering from an injury, looking to enhance your workout routine, or simply in need of some self-care, the Rumbleroller is a valuable addition to your wellness arsenal. With regular use, you can experience increased circulation, reduced muscle soreness, and improved range of motion. Say goodbye to stiffness and discomfort and hello to a healthier, happier body. Invest in your well-being with the Rumbleroller 31x6 Blue and feel the difference it can make in your daily life.